Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. In this video, I am going to show you a simple calculator using the if, elif, else conditional logic. For example, if I provide two numbers, number 1 equal to some number 10, number 2 equal to some number 5. This program is going to perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we are going to take what is the operation, the choice of the operation from the user. If the user is providing the choice as 1, then it can perform addition. If the choice is 2, then it should perform subtraction. If the choice is 3, then it should perform multiplication. If the choice is 4, then it should perform the division between number 1 and number 2. Okay. So now let's write how we can use this if, elif, else logic in the Python programming to develop this kind of calculator application. So take a new file and save this program as program 12. Now you need two numbers. So num1 equal to int of input of enter the first number. I am taking the first number and storing in num1 variable. Then take the second number num2 equal to int of input of enter the second number. Now we have number 1 and number 2 in num1 and num2 variables. Now you can display the choices here to the user. The first option. So one is for addition. Okay, one is for addition. Then print 2 is for subtraction. 2 is for subtraction. Print option 3 is for multiplication. Multiply between num1 and num2. Print option number 4 is for division, divide. Okay. Now these options will display in the output screen. You have to take the choice. That choice can be integer type. It can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If any other option will be given by the user, then it should display invalid choice. Okay. Now let's take the choice from the user. Choice equal to int of input of enter your choice. Okay. I am taking the choice from the user. Try to understand here. The choice can be an integer type. It can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If any other number, then it should display invalid choice. So write the condition if this choice equal to 1, then you are going to print result equal to num1 plus num2. Perform the addition and display the result. Result equal to num1 plus num2. Elif If the choice equal to 2, then print result equal to, comma, perform num1 minus num2. Okay, if the choice is 2, then we are going to perform the subtraction. Elif choice equal to 3, then print result equal to, comma, num1 multiply with num2. Elif choice equal to 4, then print result equal to, comma, num1 divided by num2, and ensure that num2 is not 0. I am not writing any exception handling logic here. This is a very basic calculator, and ensure that num2 is not 0. If user is giving any other number than 1 2 3 4, then it should display the else block, print invalid choice. Okay, that's a very simple program, the basic calculator, which is performing the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Let's save this program and run this. It is asking the first number 10, second number 5. Now you have to enter the choice. If I give 1, then it should display result is 15 because addition is performed here. Let's take another test case. Run this program again. First number is 10, second number is 5. Take the choice as 4. 10 divided by 5, it is giving the 2.0. Always it is going to give the floating point result when you use this division operator. If you want the integer division, then you can use num1 2 slashes. It is a integer division. Save this program and execute this. Then let's take the first number as 10, second number as 5. Take the choice as 4, then the result is 2. 2 slashes, it is called integer division. You will get the integer value as the output. Okay, so this is a very simple program for basic calculator between two numbers. Both are of integer type. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.